Situated on the grounds of the Misty Hills Country Hotel and just 15 minutes from Linseria Airport, the award-winning Carnivore, Johannesburg restaurant is where we found Dr. John Tibane having dinner with his wife and a group of close friends.
We want to explain to you the menu, how does it work. For starters, you get the pumpkin soup that comes with the honey bread.
Yeah.
So when you're done, they bring the salads and sauces with the lazy Susan. Pap and sauce with the hockey pot, as well as the baked potatoes. They start serving from the chicken giblets, venison meatballs, venison sausage, chicken wings, chicken yakitori. That's the honey-breasted chicken. Pork sausage, pork spare ribs, as well as the crocodile.
Crocodile? Yes.
So they start with the large one first.
Okay. Crocodile today.
We've got eland, kudu, impala, drumstick of beef, leg of lamb, and leg of pork.
Well renowned for its positioning statement as Africa's greatest eating experience, it's the place where you definitely get to feast like a king. And there was no questioning the fact that Dr. Tibane and company would be getting the royal treatment from the friendly Carnivore staff.
If you want to take a short break, just put it here on top of the dry sauce. You surrender with the flag, you put it down.
Scrumptious, succulent. It goes down so beautifully. I can't believe it.
Yes, I'm serving our cocktail, which you call it dawa.
Dawa.
Dawa is a Swahili name from Kenya, which means medicine. This is our medicine cocktail to give you some energy and some appetite, so that you'll eat as much as you like. And then the dawa is good for the red meat. Ingredients are lime, honey, sugar, double vodka, and then some ice. And then our dawa stick here, which you use to crush the lemon to release the sourness.
All right.
And then to stir the honey and sugar to make it sweet. If you want it to be more sour, crush the lemon again. More sweet, stir the honey and sugar. Dawa for the really carnivores. Sweet and sour cocktail.
Okay. Carnivore, what a wonderful place. A place to meet, a place to share a meal. I am very sure that I shall come back again. I had some experiences. Crocodile, looks like fish, looks like snake, but guess what? It tastes real good. Kudu was my best. But you know what? There was a moment when you had to put the flag down. If you don't put the flag down, you just keep eating and eating and eating. And there was a time when I wanted to put it down and my friend said, don't put it down yet because we're still enjoying this. So this is a wonderful place. I recommend it to anybody. Come to Carnivores, your life will never be the same again. And by the way, those of you who like signing good deals, if you think that that customer is like wasting some bit of time, just bring him to Carnivore. I tell you, he will sign that deal. It's a great place. Go for it.
Carnivore is part of the Recreation Africa Group, so you can also enjoy a fabulous stay at the Misty Hills Country Hotel with stunning conference facilities and luxurious spa in the country. Recreation Africa's Carnivore Restaurant and Misty Hills Hotel, a proudly African experience.